Hey guys, Stephanie here. So this is going to be a project share video of my finished memory decks cards. I did a video before where I created the pink ones. And then of course, after the video, I added a few things, to them. And I will go over that. And I made some other memory decks cards in more traditional Christmas colors. And I will show you that after I show you these. And I will link that video above so you guys can go check it out. It's a tutorial or craft with me, depending on how you look at it. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the finished one of this one. I just added more stickles and I added a little star there. So that, and then I added these two because I don't think I did that in the video. So I just wanted to show you the finished product there. So that's that one. Came out so cute, super gorgeous. Love that. It's my favorite. My favorite. I added the little charm there, like the little like golden bow charm there. Isn't that cute? That's the prettiest thing. So it's my first time ever doing something like that. Working with the, the eyelets and all that kind of stuff. So I am very happy with the way they turned out. I added some stickles to it, which I don't think I did in the video. So yeah, very cute. Turned out gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I got that one. Okay. And then I finished off this one. Let's see, I'm going to have a little glue string here. So let me take that off. I still have them lingering, a few lingering. All right. So I added some stickles to this one as well. I added this one called Crystal. And that's the one that I used. And just, oh, and then I put some of this, this diamond dust on the flower. Yes, that's beautiful. I love that. I'm definitely going to be using that year round because it's nice and sparkly. It's gorgeous. Love, love, love. Make sure the lid is on there. And then what else did I do? Oh, that's it. I think that's all I added to that one. Just the sparkles on the flowers, the diamond dust, and the stickles. Came out gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So you guys can see that. Okay, did that one. And then this one, I don't know if I added these two in there, but I put some more stickles on that one, just kind of around it. That's kind of all I really did on this one. And put some more stickles on here. Just kind of freshen them up just a little bit, really pretty. So I did that one. See that one? And then this one I added a little charm, little Christmas bow charm. Very cute. And then I put these on here. Stuck these inside of there. Really cute. And you saw me do that. And then I put some stickles on here. Kind of make it look like little droplets of snow. Really pretty. I just love that. And I added the little gold flower. Those are all picks from picks that I got at Michael's. So this one's gorgeous with a little charm there. So beautiful. Right? Just beautiful. Beautiful. Love that. My favorite. And then this one. I made this one off camera. This one is a little over the top, but what I did was I put two puzzle pieces together because these were individual pieces, and I just put them on one card, one memory decks card. So that's one memory decks card. And then this one already had a backing on it, and I just put a gold snowflake backing on that, and I put some picks in the top. Added the star, or that star was on there, and yeah, I added this, and then a few stickles here at the bottom, and that's it. And oh, and I added that, put that on there, glued that on there. So yeah, it came out really cute and gorgeous. So these are my puzzle pieces that I did a video last year on, my mixed media puzzle pieces. And you can use these year round. You don't have to use them just at Christmas. I still have a bag of them that I'm going to use them on various projects. So yeah, very cute. Oh, this one came out so good. So pretty. Right? Beautiful. My picks there. All right. So those are the pink ones. Now let's go over to the traditional colors. Let's do this one first. Now this is gorgeous. So this was a puzzle piece, also one of my mixed media puzzle pieces that I had already finished. So this whole piece was just one piece, and I just glued it to a red snowflake, so I can back it. And see, it's just one card there. Put some of the Prima flowers there with a pick, and I had to spray these picks with some spray adhesive, my E6000 spray. Here, I'll show that to you. Just so the pieces would not fall off. And then I added the star, and then some stickles, and then these are like little buttons. I cut the back of this one off. That was a button, and this one's just an embellishment. So yeah, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. So that's my red one of the red ones. Well, I say red and green, kind of traditional colors like. And this paper is from a paper pad, from one of the newer paper pads, I believe. Right? So, and then I backed it with 110-pound cardstock, so it can be kind of stiff. So I did that one. Wait till you guys see these are like gorgeous. This was a puzzle piece also that I finished up last year. And I just backed it with one of the snowflakes. These are snowflakes from Dollar Tree, by the way. This one is too. That's a red snowflake from Dollar Tree that I used. So if you want to know where I got those. And I got these poinsettias at Hobby Lobby. And I got this one. I think I got this pick at Hobby Lobby too. And this one, I sprayed that as well, just to make sure that, you know, the pieces would stay. And it didn't turn it yellow or anything like that. So I did that. And then added, you know, the embellishments. I got these stickers at Tuesday Morning. And these I got, I think, at Michael's like a year ago. They still sell them, though. This little wreath. They got like a little adhesive back. But I put hot glue on it. And then I put red stickles around it. And this is some of that mercury glass paper from that mercury glass paper pad that we all got at Tuesday Morning, some of us. So yeah, and I backed that also with 110-pound cardstock. I didn't use, I should have used red or something, but I just didn't. So, you know, I like the way that it looks like that. Okay, so I got that one. Now this one, oh, look at this one. Gorgeous! This is one of my puzzle pieces that I put on a rosette that I made. And then I backed that also with one of those Dollar Tree snowflakes. These are the Prima flowers. They already came with a little flocked edges like that. I put a deer on there. And these are picks I got at Hobby Lobby. Aren't they just gorgeous? Look at that, everything. And I had to cut them down, you know, just to stick them there because I wanted kind of something to stick out. And I got these at Michael's. They still sell these. Michael's they've been selling these for years, on and off, I guess. Yeah, I got a couple packs of these. And these deer I got at Hobby Lobby. And this is the mercury glass red and gold paper that I got at Tuesday Morning. So really, really pretty. I just love this kind of stuff. Just gorgeous. Very unique and beautiful, right? Gorgeous. My favorite. Now this one is really fabulous. Look at this one. The gingerbread man. I made this one last year. This little guy on a rosette. And again, I tried to use up a lot of the Dollar Tree stuff. Backed it with the red snowflake Dollar Tree ornaments. You know, you get like 5 in a little plastic thing. And then I got these at Hobby Lobby. This at Hobby Lobby. The gingerbreads at Hobby Lobby. These stars I ordered from AliExpress like a long time ago. And then these are picks. So I got these, I think, at Michael's, these picks. And I just used like little leftovers, you know, for that. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the little gingerbread man. I'm going to hold him here for a second so you guys can see him. He's just adorable. So if you love gingerbreads, I want to add the star there. And I added some red stickles kind of in between just to kind of give it a little oomph, you know. I thought that was very unique and beautiful. And yeah, just gorgeous. A few glue strings here and there. But really gorgeous. Again, backed it with 110-pound cardstock. And I didn't sew any of these. So you can still make beautiful rosettes or memory dex cards, anything without sewing it. It's just all about your layering and everything. You know, you could sew it, sure. That's, you know, that's a lot of the ladies do that. I just didn't do that with these, okay? So, yeah, I thought they came out great. Absolutely gorgeous. And then one of the last ones I did was this one. This is from a Bo Bunny stickers, I think, that Tuesday Morning was selling. And what I did was I took some stickles, some red stickles, and put it like on the tree there. And then I got this flower and this at Hobby Lobby. Those are coming from packages from Hobby Lobby. I got this one from also Hobby Lobby, a little package. And there's an ornament there. Look at that. That's very cute. And then this paper I think I got at Michael's from a paper pad. So I just backed it. That's a rosette. I made the rosette, punched out that, and then I backed it with one of the gold snowflakes that I got at Michael's that I should have got 2 packs of. So, and this was all one piece. This is a puzzle piece, one of my mixed media puzzle pieces. And I just put the stickers on the puzzle piece, put the puzzle piece on the rosette on that. And that's how I layered it. And I just added some stickers, more stickers from the Bo Bunny collection. Okay, so I probably could clean that up just a little bit. I forgot to do that. But yeah, other than that, it came out beautiful. Okay, so that is my project share for my finished memory dex cards or Rolodex cards, depending on, you know, who you ask. I am going to be doing a giveaway, guys, with including some of this stuff and some more stuff. So definitely hit subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I'm going to be filming that video next. All right. All right, guys. So, yeah, definitely stay tuned to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments regarding this video, please let me know and leave them below and I will answer them. Definitely check out all the show notes in the description box. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.